Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. And anyone is new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to explain the stock which is the Indiabulls Housing Finance. So we are going to analyze what should be the trading range and everything. We are going to analyze in Indiabulls Housing Finance share. So from that, so we are finding out any right trade opportunity if anything is there. So I'm going to analyze the stock based on my stock approach. Okay. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I was to open NSE India website. From there, I'm going to take Indiabulls Housing. So now we'll see Indiabulls Housing, what is the current price and what should be the trading range and everything we can calculate based on the Excel sheet. And you have to see the historical volatility is around 196.13. So current market price is 94.6 and historical volatility is 196. So we have another exactly this is a 4 and 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So we have another 26 days is for the expiry. So we have to calculate the range which is the stock how much it can move. So based on the historical volatility. So right now I got based on historical volatility the stock have ability to move is around 49.5, almost 49 points is the expected movement based on historical volatility. So what it telling you, from this particular price of 94.6, the stock have ability to move almost 49 points. If this expected volatility, that is historical volatility, if it has happened, the stock will move in the upper range of 100 and from this particular point it will move 144. So that is what highest expected level, and if it is comes to lowest level, the stock will move down to almost 45.1. So we are expecting the stock will come to 45 or 144. So what it telling you on the based of historical volatility, so which we are taken about historical volatility. And what should be the implied volatility? So the implied volatility is the expected volatility who's expected by the option players. Okay, so that we can easily find out this website. So taking out a lot of workout to do that, so you can easily find here how is the IV about the particular stocks. So very simple way we can find. So 179. So the historical volatility is 196, the implied volatility is around 179. So what we have to understand from this stock, so that is simply the stock which having the expected range of 139 and 140. So what we have to find out here, so the historical volatility and implied volatility. So historical volatility is around 196 and IV is around 179. So the people who expected is less than the history. So we already seen as per the historical basis the stock will move 49 points. As per implied volatility the stock will move just 45 points. So there will be a 4 rupees is different, but the history may not repeat on the stock. So that is the important factor we have to understand. So based what the people are expecting, it is less than the historical volatility. Okay. So here the range of the stock should be this much. So if you are following this much of range, the stock will have to move 139 or either 49. So these are the expected range based on implied volatility. The implied volatility it's telling you, and most of the time implied volatility which happens the 68% of the times. So if 68% of the time, so that is 125 and 63.63. So but very important thing which we have to remember, so the stock having the movement of 139 to 100 and just 49 rupees, but right now the stock was trading last few days, even after this the big movement of 160 to 80 level, after a lot of long term it was trading in a narrow in range. So here you see that there will be a narrow in range the stock was trading, so there will be chances to it can break out also. So there will be a lot of chances to it will break out. So here the stock is now it's not moving either big sides, but it was staying on the narrow in range. So NR4, NR7, so that kind of strategies may be used in this stock. But what I'm suggesting you, currently the stock was trading 96, and so I am seeing that future price. This is the spot chart. So what I'm expecting, so it will reach 139, or even if it is goes down, I'll see the same stock by 49. So these are the values which I derived from the based on implied volatility as well as historical volatility. So this is the expected level about the stocks. Now I know the what is the stocks price and everything. So based on that, I'm going to find out the option pricing. So what should be the best strategy for the stock which I'm going to do on a particular thing. So let's open simply option chain on the same stock. Here option chain of 90. So current market price is trading around 94. So 96 is the current market price. So which will take around 90 or 95 call option, 100 or 90. So both the values which we can take for a study case. Just a moment. Both the cases we are going to take for a study cases. So here 90 option were trading 18.9 and put options were trading 14.6. What is the value? So and current market price is in between the range. So when if you are taking a 90 call option and 100 put options, both are in the money. So let's do that, or we can take out of the money 90 put option is trading around 14.6, and the call option where it is trading almost 14 rupees. So we have 28 rupees. Let's do that based on our expected calculation. So that we have already showed you the range for the stock is 49 in bottom level and 130 in top level. So 139 to 49 based on the IV range. So but on the stock is now a narrow range, so either breakout, we are waiting for the breakout on the stock. Okay, and the option premium which I am going to pay, so what I'm going to pay, this is what 90 and 100. So in the market was trading in between the levels, so I'm taking both the option premiums. So the total value about the option is trading around 28 rupees, 28.6. Now again, so when I am going to pay 28 rupees premium, so it has ready to move around 45 rupees movement. So if you are taken the position in options, so long straddle also best here, or 3 is to 2, or 3 is to 2 is the best one for here, and 2 is to 1 also be the best when you know the direction. So 3 is to 2 be best. So when the stock reaches your expected movement, you are going to get some profit. So what are the profits which we are going to get it, we will know that thing before entering into the trade. These are the analysis which I had known, or which I was doing that for a Indiabulls housings. And what are the strategy, what other strategies we can do, and you see that the premium are settled down and having lesser the premium and IV is around 180 and 200 196. These are the expected by the option players, so they are expecting that much of movement. So 100% sure that much of expected movement will happen on the stocks. So what I'm expecting 40 50 level or 140 level, so this will happen. So if you are following option traders, if you are doing the trade in options, you can go through that best way to make right strategy here, so you can go for a short strategy. And also, but the stock was trading in a narrow range, there will be chances it can move sudden in a single day or within a week it can travel that much of expected range. So because it is now trading on a narrow, so either it may break out, so there will be a lot of chances to move very quick. And if you find out any right thing, so I hope this was a useful videos to you all. And if you have any doubt, you can comment it out and the comment section, or if you are not yet subscribed my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. And we are updating about some candlesticks pattern also. So based on the candlesticks pattern here, it forms a doji in the bottom, but it was about to the candle when it forms the doji star, so that should be the best way to make right opportunity. But here it not happen. But even though this is a narrow range, so when it break out, so there will be a lot of chances to move very big in range. So that's about this video. And if you like this video, and this is the range for the stock for this month, Indiabulls either 139, 140 or 50. So these are the chances for the month which will move. So you can try to trade according to this level. And based on the option premium, so 66 and 123 is the expected level about the particular stock. So based on that calculation, so we can do our good strategy. And here I was suggesting a 3:2 trading strategy is the best and perfect. Thanks for being with me, and thanks for watching this video. If you are not subscribed my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. Thank you so much.